Hello, and welcome to Astral Explorer Hub.
We have some late breaking news developing. An asteroid by the name of 2024 YR4 is hurtling towards the Earth. And with a 2.3% chance of an Earth impact, scientists worldwide are on high alert this evening as they track this potential city killer as it rises in the risk rankings. Will this become a genuine threat? That's what the people really want to know. Or will it simply just pass us by like most other near Earth objects and disappear into the cosmic void? As we prepare for our detailed breakdown later today, I want you to make sure that you've subscribed and turned on your notifications. Stay up to date with Astral Explorer Hub as we explore what this means for us in our future. Is this science fiction or is this an impending reality? Join us soon for our full video and become part of the cosmic journey, and don't miss out.